Hi, welcome to chapter 3. So this chapter 3 is quadratic function, and a quadratic function means we have a function fx with a quadratic equation where we have ax squared plus bx plus c. The first part is asking us to find an axis of symmetry and also maximum minimum point. To find axis of symmetry and maximum minimum point, first you have to apply completing the square, and this will enable you to get the equation of a bracket x plus b squared plus c. So this is what you have after completing the square. And to know whether it's a happy face graph or a sad face graph, happy face graph has a minimum point and a sad face graph have a maximum point. So happy face graph means that your a will have a positive value, means more than 0, and to have a sad face graph, it will be a less than 0, which also means a negative value. Axis of symmetry means that if I have an x-axis and a curve, axis of symmetry means that it is a midpoint between the two roots, which is also the minimum point over here, the x value of the minimum point is called as axis of symmetry. Axis of symmetry is the midpoint of the two roots. So to find axis of symmetry, we just need this part, x plus b equal to 0 and x equal to negative b. So this will be your axis of symmetry. To find maximum or minimum value, this will be equal to your c over here. Alright, and to find maximum value, maximum or minimum point, it is a coordinate. So your x will be negative b and your y will be this c. So this is your maximum or minimum point. It will be in this coordinates. Next, the question says that we have a diagram shows the graph of quadratic function with this equation. So to find the value of h, we know that the value of h is on the axis of symmetry. So to find axis of symmetry, very easy, like what I say, axis of symmetry is the midpoint of two roots. So to find an axis of symmetry, first we answer question B. To find axis of symmetry, we use the midpoint of two roots, negative 3 plus 5 divided 2. Then you will get 1. So x equal to 1 is your axis of symmetry. Alright, now for question A, find the value of h. You know that x minus h equal to 0 will be getting your axis of symmetry. So this is your axis of symmetry, and you know that x equal to 1, x equal to h is your axis of symmetry, so h will be equal to 1. This answers your A question. And C, you are required to find coordinates of the maximum point. To find coordinate of maximum point, you need x and y. Now you already know that your axis of symmetry is 1, your x here will be 1, 2, and your y will follow your value here, 16. So the value here, which is also called as maximum value, if you combine these two together, we will call this as maximum point. Alright? Then another question says that the diagram shows the graph of quadratic function y equal to fx. So now the question given is not giving you an equation, not giving you a quadratic function. It just says that this curve is called as y equal to fx. And the straight line y equal to 4 is a tangent. Tangent means touch at one point, which is at the maximum point. Find the axis of symmetry. So the axis of symmetry is the midpoint of the two roots. So use 1 plus 3 divide 2, you will get x equal to 2. So this is your axis of symmetry. Just state it like this is enough. B, to state the maximum point. To find maximum point, you already know the x value, which is 2. And how about y? Y will be your 4 because it is the topmost part, the maximum part of this curve. So y will be equal to 4. This is your maximum point. And C, you are required to express in terms of this form, the equation. So you already know that the axis of symmetry is on your this part and the maximum value will be on this part. You know that x equal to 2, if I bring back x minus 2 equal to 0, this will be in this part. So I just substitute in fx equal a bracket x minus 2 square plus your q will be your maximum value over here, 4. Now you are required to find a. To find a, just substitute any roots. So let's say I'm using this root. This root will be x equal to 1, y equal to 0, as the coordinate shows 1, 0 over here. Just substitute the value into this equation. 0 equal to a, 1 minus 2 square plus 4. So negative 4 equal to a minus 1 square. I'm getting a equal to negative 4. So a will be equal to negative 4. I sub back to the original of the function. You will get fx equal to negative 4 bracket x minus 2 square plus 4. So this will be your final answer.